Hello friends, this is to update you regarding the new batches starting for the July 4th week. Just to make sure we upskill ourselves and let's understand, let's get into the schedules planned for the July 4th week and the later classes. So the SQL Server schedules, there are 6 different schedules for SQL Server, Power BI 3 schedules, SQL DBA 2, Oracle PLSQL 5, and cloud Azure Data Engineer 3. We came with a weekend new batch starting from next weekend, July 1st week. July 1st, we are starting the new batch. Keeping in mind Australia, Singapore, India, and UK participants. Fabric, Microsoft Fabric, a new technology, recent technology from Microsoft. We have a schedule for weekend batch from July 22nd. Azure DevOps from September. I'm just giving you the latest or the upcoming schedules for each course. Azure Fundamentals, 2 schedules, Snowflake, Azure DB, and Python. If you are looking for something which is into coding part, you may take SQL or TSQL and or Python. If in case you are looking for a specific kind of technology, easier to use, easier to manage, you can always opt for Power BI. It's doing very good in the market right now. If in case you are looking neither for coding nor for Power BI or a mix of them, in such a case, yes, you can definitely consider the combo activities, a combo options. I mean, the best selling combo for our resume, best seller in our resume, data engineer plus Power BI. And another one, SQL plus Azure data engineer. And another one, SQL plus Power BI. Or a combination of all these three, SQL plus Azure plus Power BI put together. There is one certification from Microsoft called DP500 certification. Only Azure Data Engineer, we have certification called DP203. Only Power BI PL300. Together we have DP500. Experienced profiles, you may definitely opt for the Azure Data Engineer plus Power BI DP500 certification. Of course, Microsoft SQL Server TSQL is always the boss. Better to start with SQL Server first. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice orientation. Right from the scratch, right from the basics carefully. We assure you complete real-world activities. Just practice on time throughout the course. Just make sure we do the tasks on time so that we can have better exposure and get ourselves job ready. For every course we have a project work, a real-time project. So we do the practice on time, submit the daily assignments on time. That's more important. For every course, every class, we have assignments. Day-wise assignments. Concept FAQs, again concept, again FAQs. Like this we continue. Few questions outside the notes, all answers inside the notes. Most of the tasks are practice based, practical. So need your support. Practice on time throughout the course, then we'll make it a big hit. For latest schedules, you can always visit our website sqlschool.com. Register page, and you have the list of all the courses and the schedules over there. You can enroll your name, attend for 1 or 2 classes, see how it goes, then you decide to join for the course. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Meet you soon in our live classes. Thank you once again.